Blossom Brigade, Bear here. Wow, welcome to my 100 subscriber special! I still can't comprehend that over 100 people watch my videos. Okay, so you know how YouTube gives you a play button when you reach a certain amount of subscribers? Unfortunately, I don't get to enjoy receiving such a thing. Maybe one day. However, if you've been on my channel for a hot minute, you'll see that I'm an artist of sorts. So why not make my own play button? The real question was, from what? So this is my pet rock, Howard. People who are fans of fighting games will get that reference. I just found him 3 days ago, alone, scared. I don't know if I'm ready to take on this responsibility. I couldn't just leave him. Howard is my milestone after all. And when I first started this channel, I was really a rock stuck in a hard place. I didn't want to crumble over the pressure that I felt. Yeah, sure, it was a rocky start, but the one thing I do know is that I never take anything for granted. Everyone in the Blossom Brigade are so marvelous, and I can't wait to keep making more content. You truly are the flint that ignites my fire to keep going. I know I'm less than a quartz away, but even though this YouTube journey will be long, I feel like my channel could be a diamond in the rough. But who knows? Over 100 subs. Holy shit! Well, here he is, my milestone, my pet rock, Howard. Thank you all for your support. I'm truly grateful. I hope you all survived through all those puns. See you next time. Bye-bye.